The individual cells in our body communicate with each other using light waves. And that's how the cells communicate. Light waves is a form of electromagnetic radiation. The cells in your body are communicating, sending out energy, light waves, and receiving light waves. That's on a quantum level, and that's also down at the spiritual level. So, unfortunately, the medical community as we know it was locked into drugs and surgery because that's where the money's at. You can't make money when you're presenting natural herbs. There's no money in that. You can't patent it. So when I saw that, I was very intrigued because I was wondering, I was experimenting with the electromagnetic devices and was familiar with Royal Rife. Then I came across another nugget, and that nugget was in 1979, there was a company that actually patented the application of using a magnet as a diagnostic tool. Because until I came across that, this article here was just one of those things, well, it sounds good. You know, hopefully somebody will come across a way to do that, where they can listen to the body and pick up the life waves and tell whether the body is in a state of illness or where the body is playing a symphony. And lo and behold, this company came out with a way to do that. They actually wrote several books on the effects of magnetic energy on the human body, and in the process gained over 100 different patents. And one of the patents was they found that if you take a magnet, North Pole and South Pole, and you lay a person down on a massage table with their shoes on, and you take this magnet and you place it externally on their body, whether it's on the liver, the lungs, the heart, or whatever, and you pick up their feet, if their leg shortens, then the body is reacting to that magnetic energy. If the legs don't shorten, the body doesn't react to the polarity. They found you can turn that magnet over and put the opposite polarity on the body and check the feet, and if the body did not respond to either polarity, it meant that those cells, that organ, was in a state of harmony. It was signaling a symphony. It was in a state of balance. But if one polarity of the magnet actually created stress in that body part, the body would create a resistance to that further weakening and literally cause the leg to shorten. So they did so much experiments with it, they actually patented the application. So when I came across that, fortunately, I was able to take a seminar with one of the gentlemen who had actually trained with the people who discovered this. And I bought the magnets, went home and grabbed me some feet anywhere I could, and started practicing. And over a period of years, I was able to evolve this by taking other classes and seminars and continuously panning in that stream of life and getting these nuggets. I was able to evolve this to the point where I didn't need the magnets anymore. The magnets were like training wheels. Once I got up to speed, I didn't need the magnets because I had evolved it to the point where I could directly communicate with the unconscious. But until then, I had no way of knowing how to do that. For the most part, these four things is what goes wrong in your body. Why is it that some people get results with an herbalist, some people don't? It's like they have to keep going to different experts to find out the one that works. So as I evolved and looked at this, I thought, well, why not go to the ultimate expert? The ultimate expert is you. Nobody knows your body better than you do. Everybody is different, meaning that everybody has different experiences in life. Everybody has a different program in their unconscious mind. And if you look out, and you've probably seen books, there's a number of books to where they talk about the majority of health problems is caused by mental stress. And then you look out and you see there's another expert says, no, the majority of health problems is caused by what you eat. Well, and you look out and you see No, a lot of the health problems is caused by problems with your back. Everybody, if you look out in the news, everybody is telling you that illness is caused by this, illness is caused by that, depending on who you talk to. Well, you can get really confused because you don't know who to believe. But what's fascinating is if we go directly to you and ask you, your body knows what's going on. And what I discovered is that if you've got cancer, if you've got diabetes, if you've got fibromyalgia, if you've got lupus, whatever these fancy names are, you can boil it down to one of these four. The first one is the body is malnourished. If the body is malnourished, you know, it's like you burning kerosene in your car. You're going to sputter and knock and smoke, and the body is going to get weak. It can't function properly unless it's properly nourished. Well, the second thing, which goes hand in hand with the first, is the body becomes toxic. If you can't eliminate the waste properly, the body holds toxins, and the toxins poison the body, poisons the cells. You can also have environmental toxins. You can also be exposed to paints and chemicals and stuff that affect the cells that also make you toxic. The third one is you can have structural misalignment in the back, to where you've got neck pain, shoulder pain, hip pain, and that interferes with the nerve energy. And the fourth one, which is a biggie, is that you can have unresolved emotional issues from your past that is creating stress in your body. And if you ask the body which one of these, or in a lot of cases it can be all four, but you ask the body, what is the priority? And the body will tell you. And there's nobody out there that knows your body like you do. Your unconscious mind knows what's going on. It knows why you have back problems.